Hello guys, we are back for a new dish today. Today we have something very complicated actually. Many people complain about it. It's the stomach. It has always smell. No one can really tolerate the smell. So we have an idea now how to cook it with tomato paste and with many things. So guys, let me introduce for you our ingredients for today. It's lamb stomach, chili, onion, vegetable oil, garlic, cumin, turmeric, harissa, spicy, coriander and salt. We have tomato paste. We have here chickpeas. We put it in the water overnight. So I'll show you today how to make your own recipe with a stomach lamb. I know many people make it with different style. Today we will have our own style. Let's get started guys. First thing, we're gonna put the vegetable oil. We're gonna put the stomach. And for sure you have to cut it, okay? Today we put too much onion and garlic to remove the smell of the stomach. The onion, it is like 12 pieces but small, not big. The cutting will be sliced. Garlic we're gonna put half of it. Later we will put the other. Gonna make this one saute for a while. Now it's mixed and saute together. Now we're gonna put our tomato paste. This is 160 grams. You have to spread it and mix it very well, and then it will be sauté slowly, and it will take time and saute like 5 minutes to 7 minutes. Sour taste will be removed. So here it's sauteed very well. No more sour taste because you can smell it. Now we're gonna put our chickpeas. Chickpeas must be from the beginning because it's a little bit hard. Now we have to put it, but you don't put it and saute with a tomato and everything. It will become hard. When you are done from sauteing the tomato and the onion and the garlic, onion and stomach, that's the time you can put the chickpeas. Actually, we're gonna put few pieces now, only 3. We're gonna keep 3 for later when it's almost cooked. Same with the garlic. We're gonna put our seasoning now. This harissa, if you don't have, it's fine. It's not necessary. We're gonna put hot water and we have to cover it with water. You know, the stomach, it takes time to be cooked. Mix it. Then we're gonna cover it now and we're just gonna keep it for 40 minutes and we'll check it after 40 minutes. Guys, after the 40 minutes I add more 20 minutes because it depends of the stomach. If the sheep very old sheep, the stomach will be very hard. If the sheep young, the stomach will be soft. 40 minutes, it's enough, more than enough for the whole dish to be ready. Okay, now we're gonna put this garlic. Because this one it's already cooked, and we put the chili. This is how it look like. This is already cooked. We will keep it only for 5 minutes just for the chili to become, you know, a little bit cooked, and then our dish is ready. Then I'm gonna show you how it look like after putting it in the plate. So guys, here our lamb stomach with tomato sauce. It looks very nice. So as what you can see here, we put parsley just to break the color. You can see here the chickpeas and the lamb stomach. So I wish you like what we make for today. Try to make it at home, share it with your family and your friend, and please do subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Any comment or any food that you are requesting or any question, please leave me a comment. I will reply you as soon as I read it. Thank you so much and see you in my next video.